Today, we're diving deep into the fountain of youth, not with magic potions, but with science-backed, anti-aging strategies tailored for all of our viewers, especially the baby boomers. Let's explore how we can turn back the clock, or at least slow it down, with the right behaviors, foods, and supplements. Every choice counts, from the foods we eat to the supplements we take. We will start with the basics. Let's dive right in. Let's start off with the power of nutrition. Nutrition is your first line of defense against aging. Here's what to focus on. You need a lot of omega-3 fatty acids in your diet, and you can find them in fatty fish like wild-caught salmon, walnuts, and flaxseed. Omega-3s are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. Just imagine your brain cells getting a protective shield against cognitive decline. You also want to eat plenty of antioxidant-rich foods. Think berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables. These combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging. It's like having a daily detox for your cells. Next up is protein. It is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. Include meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like lentils. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It helps keep you strong and active. You also want to include plenty of healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, butter, tallow, and nuts. They're all good for your heart, skin, and brain. Hydration is also very important. You want plenty of filtered water. Green tea, bone broth, all can hydrate your cells, promoting skin health and metabolic function. Think of that hydration as oiling your body's machinery. Next up is exercise. It isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling young. By the way, exercise is considered the most powerful anti-aging thing you can do. Here's how to get started. By age 60, most of us have lost over half of our muscle strength. Lifting weights or using resistance bands can reverse this. Imagine regaining the strength to lift your grandchildren with ease. Another very important part of anti-aging is cardiovascular exercise, like walking, swimming, or cycling. Aim for 150 minutes weekly or 30 minutes 5 days a week to keep your heart young. Just imagine your heart pumping with the vigor of someone much younger. Flexibility and balance are both very important as well, and you can enjoy these by doing yoga or Tai Chi. These not only keep you flexible, but also reduce your risk of falls. Think of it as training to build grace and stability. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Here's how to optimize it. Try to stick to a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time helps regulate your body's clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. Just imagine your body knowing exactly when to start its nightly repairs. You need to make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Make it dark, cool, and quiet. Be sure and reduce your exposure to screens an hour before bed to help with melatonin production, a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycles. The blue light emitted by laptops, phones, and computer monitors can trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime, disrupting your sleep cycle. Imagine how great it will feel to wind down naturally, ready for a deep restorative sleep. Supplements can fill the gaps in our diet. Here's what might benefit us. Vitamin D3 is essential for bone health and immune function. Aim for at least 2,000 international units daily, but consult your doctor for higher doses. Imagine this vitamin as your body's armor against illness. Vitamin K2, often paired with vitamin D3, helps direct calcium to bones and away from arteries. Visualize your bones strengthening while your arteries stay nice and clear. Magnesium is important for muscle function and sleep. Magnesium citrate or magnesium glycinate are the correct ones to take for best absorption. Think of magnesium as the mineral that helps you relax and recover. Zinc helps support immune health. Aim for 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc daily. Picture zinc as the guardian of your immune system. Vitamin D3, K2, magnesium, and zinc should be taken together as they are cofactors that help your body better absorb all of them. Next up are omega-3 fatty acids. If you don't get enough from your diet, consider these fish oil supplements. These are very beneficial to your brain and heart. NAC, or N-acetylcysteine, is an antioxidant that can support lung health and might help you with cognitive function. NAC is a great detoxifier for your body. Please always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially considering potential interactions with medications. Aging gracefully is not about stopping time, it's about living well through the time that we have left. By focusing on nutrition, exercise, sleep, and the right supplements, you're not just fighting aging, you're embracing life at its fullest. Please eat lots of colors. Fill your plate with a rainbow of nutrients. By the way, a red bell pepper has more vitamin C than an orange. Please find a way to move daily. Find an exercise you enjoy and stick with it. Be sure to prioritize your sleep as much as you do your diet and exercise. Use supplements to complement, not replace, a healthy diet. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Please comment below and let us know what your favorite anti-aging tip is. Also, while you're in the comments section, please let us know what other types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Here's to every one of you living not just longer, but better. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.